Here I have VIVO S1 PRIME, and today I'm going to show you how to change a keyboard language on this device. So first of all, you have to open settings, then go to the system section, languages and input, virtual keyboard, Gboard, languages, add keyboard. And here you can see the whole list of languages in which you can type on your device. As you can see, it's pretty big, pretty enormous. Let's select some language, some pretty and aesthetic language for the video. For example, it could be Thai language, and then you tap done. And let's try to write something down in Thai language. And as you can see, now I have Thai keyboard on my device. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.